अलेक्सा ये बारिश में क्या करना आइडिया तो दियो. Of course, on a rainy day, your focus should be always on the safety of yourself. So drive slowly and gently, but you can also use the drive to explore new places like the garden or maybe the restaurants and something indoor or outdoor, but that got to be safe for you. You can always carry along with you some goodies like the muffins, the lamantins, the featured fritters, the fun buns, the flamingo loaves, and maybe the munchions, the crunchions, and more. But don't forget to have a hot, hot, creamy coffee or tea in the big thermos flask.